This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, a trailer hitch receiver, and air conditioning. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Tiffin Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 West State Road 18 in Tiffin.